Hello friends, my name is Sophil and welcome back to my channel. So if you are using Windows but want to learn Linux without dual boot or virtual machine, so this video is for you. So I will show you how to install Ubuntu using WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux, in just few simple steps. Okay, so let me open my document. Okay, so first step is turn on required Windows feature. Okay, so I'll show because I already have installed Ubuntu in my laptop. So probably I'm gonna show you step by step and guide you. If you have any doubt, you can just comment below. Okay, I'll reply. So first of all, place Windows plus R. Okay, then here you have to type optional features without space. Okay, then press enter. It will open turn Windows feature on and off. Okay, so now you have to find out. See this one. In my case, it is already checked. Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, you have to just check mark and just press OK. Okay, now what happened? Okay, and also it will restart your laptop. Then second step, we have to install WSL on Windows. Okay, so open PowerShell with run as administrator. With run as administrator. Yeah. So here you have to do one thing. You have to type this command WSL hyphen hyphen install. Okay. So now what this command does, it will install the WSL Windows subsystem for the Linux. It install the Linux kernel on the top of window and set WSL2. Okay, because WSL2 is the latest version, so make sure you have installed WSL2. So if your laptop is showing after checking with the status WSL status, so use this command to check the status WSL status. It will show you which subsystem version WSL version have installed in your laptop. Okay, so make sure WSL2 should be installed. Okay, so otherwise you can do one thing, just make you can just use this command WSL and set your version to default because that is faster one. Okay, then next step is install Ubuntu using PowerShell. Okay, now we have now this step. In this step we have to install Ubuntu on the top of Windows. Okay, so use this command in PowerShell. Okay, so just do like that and run as administrator WSL hyphen hyphen install hyphen D flag, it means distribution Ubuntu. Okay, so just type as it is Ubuntu. Then this command, what Windows will do, this command is after this command Windows will download the Ubuntu, register it and launch internally and launch the terminal automatically, and it will launch the terminal automatically. Okay, now friends, we are at the end. Ubuntu terminals open over here and you will see this kind of steps. Installing this may takes a few minutes. Okay, then you have to enter on the Ubuntu terminal. You have to enter Linux username, Linux password, and confirm the password as well. So and make sure, and you will see this kind of prompt like password typing is invisible. Okay, and this is normal Linux behavior. You won't see the password type. Okay, just type it and just keep it remember. Okay, and then now we reach to the final step, that is verify WSL and Ubuntu installation. Okay, check install distro using this command WSL hyphen L hyphen V. So hyphen L stand for, this is a flag, hyphen L flag list the Linux distro. Okay, and hyphen V stand for verbose, this show the complete details information. So your expected output will be like that, Ubuntu running version 2. Okay, so make sure you will see like this. Okay, then after that After whole installation of Ubuntu, you will see this icon Ubuntu. Okay, just open it. Just in your search bar, enter Ubuntu. Okay, then you will see this terminal. This is Linux terminal, whole terminal. This is, so you can do anything over here. Who am I? Okay. So that's it, friend. We have successfully installed Ubuntu on Windows using WSL. So now you can use real Linux command directly from your Windows system without dual boot or without using virtual machine. If you are learning Linux, DevOps or cloud technologies, this setup will extremely useful for your practice. In this video, if this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux and DevOps content. If you have any doubt or face any issues during installation, drop them in the comment. I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching, friends.